Today, the need for increased mobility and flexible work environments is simply part of doing business. But worrying about how that affects team collaboration, business efficiency, and customer experiences shouldn't be. That's why Hosted Voice from Breezeline offers the simplified management and state-of-the-art capabilities you need to keep connected and ensure business continuity. By integrating multiple offices and mobile devices, Hosted Voice enables anytime communications, allows you to easily transfer calls and check voicemail no matter your location, delivers security and reliability, and makes scaling easy and seamless so your service always keeps up with changing business demands. Now, you can enhance customer and employee experiences with over 40 of the most sophisticated enterprise-class features, including advanced call routing and simultaneous ring, voicemail to email, extension dialing, and more. Plus, our experienced team will help design, install, set up, and support your system. Unlike standard business phone systems, Hosted Voice is cloud-based, ensuring a simple and affordable solution with no expensive equipment to purchase or maintain. See how upgrading your phone system and always staying connected with customers and employees may be easier than you think.